Welcome to the IvyMount Social Cognition Instructional Package, or the IvySCIP. Social and emotional learning plays a critical role in children's academic success, and is especially critical for children with autism spectrum disorder, most of whom, including those with high-functioning autism, demonstrate significant social cognitive deficits. In response to a clear need for a data-driven social and emotional learning resource for elementary students with high-functioning autism, IvyMount and 3C Institute developed the IvySCIP, a comprehensive, innovative online system. The IvySCIP will allow educators to make data-based decisions in all phases of social instruction, including needs assessment, instructional priority area identification, IEP goal development, data collection, and progress monitoring. The IvySCIP also provides access to instructional tips and strategies. Let's look at how IvySCIP features developed in Phase 1 and those proposed for Phase 2 will help educators meet critical SEL instructional needs of students with high-functioning autism. The heart of the IvySCIP is the Social and Emotional Learning Assessment, a survey for instructors targeting students' social learning. The assessment includes 115 survey items representing carefully chosen social abilities and behaviors. These items comprise 5 key domains critical to social competence: self-knowledge and self-advocacy, social interaction, emotional regulation, executive skills and problem-solving, and self-care. Instructors score students on each item according to the amount of coaching a student requires to demonstrate the skill or explain the concept. Each item on the IvySCIP has been operationalized to increase accuracy. Each strengths and needs assessment takes approximately 30 minutes to complete. After an assessment, instructors are directed to a student's social and emotional learning profile, which summarizes a student's scores by domain. Areas where students show critical need, emerging need, and independence are color-coded in red, yellow, or green. After Phase 2, instructors will also be able to compare a student's performances on multiple assessments over time. The IvySCIP is uniquely designed to help instructors prioritize where to start instruction. Phase 2 development will allow instructors to choose up to 4 instructional priority areas for each student for the coming year. Areas rated as critical during the assessment will be highlighted. Phase 2 will add IEP goal development resources for each instructional priority area, instructional tips and strategies, data collection tools, and additional training and implementation resources. Based on the selected instructional priorities, instructors will then select and customize goals. For each goal, instructors will choose givens, materials or supports, settings, and performance targets, or they will create their own. Finalized goals are printable or downloadable for use with any IEP goal system. The IvySCIP will provide tips and strategies linked to each instructional priority area, accessible to users via an easily searchable database. These will include evidence-based curricular resources and video-based examples of how to implement specific strategies. The IvySCIP will also feature several data collection tools to track students' progress toward goal mastery. Other resources will include a downloadable manual and online training modules. The Student Management Center will allow instructors to maintain student records and easily reach assessments, reports, and goals. Phase 2 will add student profile pages, graphic snapshots of each student's performance over time. In Phase 1, stakeholder response to the IvySCIP was overwhelmingly positive. Schools and districts are already eagerly awaiting its release. The IvySCIP will offer a robust, innovative assessment, goal planning, and data tracking resource to streamline instruction for students with high-functioning autism.